This comprehensive guide provides detailed strategies and step-by-step processes to ensure your core HR system deployment succeeds. We're going to explore every essential component of a successful implementation, from initial planning and strategic alignment to data migration and user adoption. If you're deploying Oracle HCM Cloud, Fusion HCM, or another enterprise HR platform, these proven methodologies will guide you through each phase of the transformation journey. Strategic planning forms the cornerstone of any successful core HR implementation. It begins with clear business objectives, moving towards defining success metrics for the new system. Scope definition is a critical step that determines which HR functions the new system will cover, including employee data management, organizational structure, and basic reporting. Timeline planning and budget allocation also play a crucial role in the implementation process. It's about setting realistic expectations regarding implementation duration and considering all implementation costs, from software licensing to data migration, training, testing, and ongoing support. Understanding these steps helps tackle the complex challenges ahead, ensuring a smooth and successful HR implementation.